gas. I don't know if it's that owner or previous owner or previous storage area, we'll just say. Anyway, the winch works great. Bike runs fine after like friggin' a week and a half of just fucking with it off and on. Finally got it to the point where it would go past the idle. It's all original. Pretty decent old bike. Had to tear it completely apart. Like, I mean, completely. Go through the whole fuel system. Like the complete fuel system. The motor was seized on this bike and I bought a big $200 for it. For the hell of it. Clean though. Got a winch on it. It's probably a bike could go anywhere you want it to go. But I don't think I'm going to sell it because I don't think I'm going to get what I've got into it out. I don't have much financially, I just have time. Time is money. So anyway, if you got a little quad runner and you fucked with the whole fuel system like I did, and you're having a problem getting it past idle, even just to pump some fuel to the carburetor, grab your compressor, tank's low in fuel, but still, I'm running right off the. It's got a little bit. It's just pressurized. That's it. Take this off. There goes the pressure. Hear that? But anyway, I pressurized the tank because it was a bit low in fuel. Plus, other purposes, it was not running or would not stay running, would not go past idle. I did that, it would choke out. So I had a couple of little assortments of things going on here. Had a fuel pump for one of my jet skis. That worked for a bunch of time. Ended up tearing the whole bike apart. Cleaning this out, took cock out because that was full of sugar. Fuel pump was full of sugar. Lines were full of sugar. All the lines are full of sugar. Basically the carburetor was full of sugar. And the tank was full of sugar. So I had to rip this whole fucking thing apart, which is really not the funnest thing I've done. But, you know, in time I'd say 10, 12 hours in total. And now it runs great. Probably gotta clean it out a little more, put some better fuel in it. Right now I'm just running some shitty ass old fuel. Just because I didn't think this bike would ever start again, so. Yeah. 93 quad runner, you got any questions, I could probably answer them at this point. Because, even into the gears, I know a lot about that shit too. So, drop me a comment. I'm doing the fluids next to this bike, and then it's just burning. It's got a little bit smoke. It's because I mixed gas in it because I'm not an idiot. No motor seized. You run a little bit of mixed fuel in it so you won't burn the cylinder out, right? It was only seized from sitting, so, you know, make sure your shit's right. And that way you don't end up fucking with blowing up shit. I knew this thing would work out eventually, but just a matter of patience and time. Neighbors probably hate me. So I was out here till 7 and 8 o'clock at night trying to get this thing going, but whatever. So if you got any questions on your little quad runner 250 or wet 4 or 2-wheel drive, let me know. And if you're an old man, these are great. Anyway, subscribe, Jag EMC, everything's custom, and I mean absolutely everything is custom. Four-wheelers to music. To literally Britas. Like, just subscribe to some fucked up shit. Some good shit. Some knowledgeable shit. And then just some really funny ass shit. So, have a good Friday, everybody. It's like, guess you're on your own. I will not answer you. It sucks to be you. Learn your wiring diagram. Shit's on Google. Most guys don't fuck with quads these days. I will. So if you got any questions or inquiries, just hit me up on the comments, and we'll talk from there. I'll help you out. Alright. Subscribe, Jaggy MC. Everything's custom. This is the 250 quad runner. There's some other bikes on there. I got my Kawasaki Bayou. I got my Autocats 750 HO. I got my Kawasaki Breed Force 650. I've got shit. I got a few bikes on there. Honda 404 tracks. My Honda 350 TRX. I got a few bikes on there. Lots of sleds, bikes, trucks, you name it. It's on there. Gotta scroll through my thousands